we want to re-establish the regional and the county planning offices because of the fact that the national government implements a lot of projects in counties, particularly projects that have impact on two counties. Like, for example, a road linking two counties, a dam to provide water for domestic consumption, for electricity generation, and for irrigation. And maybe such a project is serving more than one county. So the national government actually undertakes a lot of projects in counties. And therefore, for us now to monitor effectively and to track down the implementation of those projects, we require officers, technical officers, who will work very closely with the NGAO. And when I talk about the NGAO, I mean the county, the regional coordinator, and the county commissioners. Those NGAO officers, because they work very hard on the ground, they require technical persons to be able to monitor and evaluate the implementation of those national government projects in all the counties and in a region at large. So that's why we are here. So very soon we are going to send officers here who will be working very closely with the regional coordinator to assist in monitoring the implementation of government projects in counties and in regions.